Hi guys, I just wanted to do a real quick video today on this new gadget that I ordered specifically for assembling the Walthers, the Merchant Row 2 kit that I've been working on here the past couple weeks. I did a video on this to kind of show you guys where I was at with it earlier this week. Hopefully you guys check that out. It might be episode 20. But I'm getting ready to assemble it as I'm getting closer and closer to finishing up with the painting. And basically what it is these corner jigs. And I will put the manufacturer's name and the information in the description for this video. I cannot remember who I ordered these from. I got them on Amazon. They were delivered yesterday. I think I paid 13 bucks. I believe they really are for woodworking, for holding corners square in woodworking. Well, I'm going to use it to hold my corners of my building here, my building kit, square and plumb. And basically all you do is just loosen this up. It's a little bit too big for what I want to do, but I'm going to give it a shot. Now these two pieces, these two wall elevations, I don't think these are not meant to come together. I believe, this is this side elevation, and this one way over here is the other elevation. I just want to show you quick what I'm hoping to do here is, you just take the one wall, kind of get it in here, then you take your other wall, put it in here, and you just want to kind of, you just gently tighten the thumb screw, and it should hold them perfectly square and keep that mitered corner nice and tight, and at the same time keep the walls plumb. What I noticed though is it can be difficult. You can run into issues depending on what your wall elevation looks like. So I got these brick pilasters here, and as I tighten this up, I notice it takes the wall panel and skews it. So I'm no longer having a 90-degree corner, and it kind of opens up the miter joint too. So I just got to figure that out. You can kind of see the gap that formed right here because this pilaster doesn't let the whole wall panel sit flush against this, against this bumper here. So I got to figure that out. But I think I might have to do some things manually just to hold it tight while the glue cures, just for a minute or so. But I think in that it will at least do the heavy lifting of keeping the corners square and keeping one of the corners from falling over as you're just starting to assemble this. The first two wall elevations, getting them together square and plumb is the hardest because there's nothing else in place. You have to hold them in place. So that's what we're going to try here. Again, very simple to use. Just has this thumb screw. This is plastic, very light. And again, it might be a little too big for what we try to do, but I think it at least will help get the job done. So I'll put the manufacturer's information in the title or in the description of the video, and you guys can check it out and see if this is something that would help you with your kits. So, all right, hope you guys enjoy that and find it useful. And once again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.